Good morning. Today's day 63 of hiking the Appalachian Trail. I just got dropped back off at the parking lot just after the James River footbridge. Got a slack pack on today, so happy about it. The plan is to go about 22 miles to I-60, where I'm going to get picked up by my mother-in-law and then hang out with her for the rest of the day. Wow, look at that, gorgeous. Gone over 6 miles already. I've only been out here for like an hour and a half or so. Climbed up 2,500 feet of ascent and just kind of on a flatter section for a bit until another climb up to Bluff Mountain. But yeah, hasn't been too bad so far.
Nice view here.
Oh yeah. Just see. It says, this is the exact spot little Audie Klein Powell's body was found April 5th, 1891, after straying from Tower Hill Schoolhouse, November 9th, a distance of 7 miles, age 4 years, 11 months. Made it to the top of Bluff Mountain, about 9 miles.
Same to you, son.
Just stopped at Punch Bowl Shelter to get some more water, and now we're gonna get hiking again. I kind of forgot about this morning, but look what we found. 800 miles. Oh my gosh. We've hiked 800 miles. 800. Wow. That's crazy.
Contact that stream?
Maybe up here. So we've gone 15 miles already today. It's about 3 o'clock, so I think we have like between 6 and 7 miles left, so should be able to get that done in the next couple hours. Yeah, been pretty easy day with no weight on my back, so that's been really nice. It is pretty warm, like quite sweaty, but other than that, everything's been great. Just taking a quick little break and then we'll keep going. We're at 64 miles. Less than a mile to the road crossing where my mother-in-law is picking me up. Just have to get to the top of this climb. I think it's like 0.9 and 500 and some feet of ascent. Not terrible, but kind of annoying at the very last mile of the day to have to climb, but that's okay. Almost there. I did it. I just finished the 22-mile slack pack, and my mother-in-law should be in this parking lot right over here. I'm pretty excited. Well, I'm at the Gray Pine Lodge just outside of Waynesboro. Yeah, a little north of where I left off on the trail today, but my mother-in-law picked me up and we went out to dinner. And we're staying at this cute little hotel, and I think tomorrow we are gonna go and explore Shenandoah National Park a little bit, so it should be fun. The slack pack today was pretty easy. There wasn't a ton of elevation. The biggest climb was like first thing in the morning, so got that done, and then it was pretty cruisy the rest of the day. Yeah, thank you so much for watching day 63, my Appalachian Trail through hike. Mighty fine hiking, everyone. Bye!